Alright guys, so we're doing a pack opening with increased chance of getting an EA TOTS. So I'll be opening a few 100k packs. We get Isco. And we get, yes! 93 rated Sanchez. Insane pack. Store from straight into the club. And Chiellini in the same pack. What a pack. Get back to back. And we get John Terry. 90 rated. So can we get 3 in a row? We got Sanchez, Terry, Chiellini, and Snyder. And we get Vidal. In this pack we get, yes! My best team of the season so far, and 2 in a pack. Muller and Otamendi. Look at those stats from Muller. And we get De Bruyne. That's insane. I wanted to get him so much. Save him in club. And De Bruyne, that's insane. 92 rated. This pack is going quite well so far. Muller, De Bruyne, Sanchez, Terry, Chiellini, Otamendi, and Otamendi again. And we got Hummels and Cavani. Store him in club. And Di Maria as well. He's quite good. 88 rated. First time I pack him.